Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake WEDOWEE, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a beautiful custom-built all-brick home featuring 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms with 1 half bath. There are 2 master suites on the main level that offer privacy and convenience. The open floor plan is inviting for your family and guests, with a dining room and living room. The great room has a vaulted ceiling with a brick fireplace with gas logs. The home office over the garage could be made into a bunk room if needed. The terrace level offers 2 spacious bedrooms with 2 private baths. The family room has a fireplace with gas logs. Your family will enjoy the game room that opens up to the patio and pool area. The saltwater pool featuring a waterfall is connected to the patio that offers wide views of the lake. The covered deck and patio are great areas to entertain. The kids will love the large backyard. The 2-car garage is large enough to store your lake toys. This home sits